जाई वाट ती वाट प्रपोज करपाची CRZ3 कडेन CRZ परमिशन मागपाचें आनी सांगपाचें आमची ही वाट जाय. ती वाट CRZ कितकोन परमिशन दिता फिशरमॅनाक दॅट इज अप टू द CRZ. बट ती CRZ दिना म्हूण हिंग येन रातया मोद सॅटर्डेन करूं जायना. तुका मोग आहा फिशरमॅनाचो आनी तांकां 3 मीटर वाट करूं जाय. मंडे यो सगळ्यां आपय फिशरमॅनाक आनी तांकां गेन कर. डोंट टॉक दीस थिंग्स टू अस. वी नो वॉट वी आर टॉकिंग. हरसां उलयलो शादी फुलयन बॉस दोज डेज आर ओवर. दोज डेज आर ओवर. हिंग बायल एकठांय जावन हापायतलीं मुखार कळ जाल्यार फॅन्सी सोडोबर बायल एकठांय जावन हापायतलीं. सो don't fool Goans. You all have fooled everyone for all these years. We will not take you all for granted anymore. आम कायद्या प्रमाण उलयताय आनी कायद्या प्रमाणे उलयतले. यू कॅनॉट टेक एवरीवन फॉर ग्रांटेड. आनी सिरीज कोराय जोडाय पयले घर बांदाय फोक्या फार मानाका हिंगा आमचेर कळ्ळें का न्हू. आनी आम होग रावपा नाय तुमगे फोक्या फारांचेर. 30 वर्स कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी आहली तुमगेले. वॉट यू ऑल हॅव डन. तांकां मरे सोसूं जायना. तांकां दुखोता आनी दुखोत म्हणटरी रिंगा कोताय ते. हां दुखोताय कांतार म्हणपाचें आनी रिंगाय म्हणपाचें. सो दुखोत म्हणटरी रिंगा कोताय आनी ते रिंगाक चलत तेंगेले. तांकां दुखोत न्हू. आनी ते ज्या प्रॉपर्टी कोण इंकलो तेंय वार्किंगारू सांगतले तेजी आनी हांव वचना. हे ज्या प्रॉपर्टी कोण इंकलो ती हांवें ऑफिशियल नोटीस कोणाक बरयलो ना. आय हॅव कॉल्ड द डिपार्टमेंट्स ओवर द फोन बिकॉज द इन्सिडेंट हॅपन्ड आय थिंक ऑन अ फ्रायडे नायट ऑर सॅटर्डे. सो मागीर काल संडे जाली आनी टुडे इज मंडे. ड्युरींग द विकेंड एवरीथींग इज कम अप ऑन द पेपर. बिसाइड्स माय call to GCZMA, call to forest, call to tourism and video. Besides my call, I am sure they all have seen on the social media, because social media is a very good tool to portray whatever wrong things are happening. And on suo moto also they could come here. But yes, I have called them and I have sent everybody a message. All the punches are part of my broadcast group where they have also received individual messages to come here. But official letter bonin kona aaj inspection jalna. So I think we are very clear. Today WhatsApp is a medium where it is considered as it is a proof of document where you are given an invitation. Everybody can come here and everybody can speak. I have not abused anyone. I want the law to be followed. We are not against BJP investors, that is the Dempo. But we are against the Dempo if he wants to do illegally develop his plot there by bringing an illegal road like this. Because you were here to contest elections. And if you are going to do this, then something is wrong. And you should condemn this kind of act because you have the capacity to make sure everything is done legally. Then why illegal things are done? That means तुकाय खबर आहा तुगे तो प्रोजेक्ट लिगली येवपा जायना म्हूण. आनी हो म्हूण तूं बिहारचो आनी तेंगे कनेक्शनींग कितको पावता खबर ना. आतां ह्यो एक दिसा भितर ह्यो इन्फॉर्मेशन जर तर आमकां मेळटा. वी वील ऑल्सो हॅव टायम. देर आर लॉट ऑफ एक्टिविस्ट वर्किंग फॉर CRZ related matters. We will also work with them. They are also going to take up this matter. But finally, I want the GCZMA to ensure this area is seized. No panchayat person should able to come here and even touch something here now. We have to make this protocol available. So in Porat in Ratyamad, it is not easy for all of us potat to monitor here. How it is possible? And समज ते जर सॅटर्डे ह्या भुरग्यांनी जर तो चोवू ना आनी हे समज जर तरी झुकून कोण गेल्ले जाल्यार MLAन गेल म्हणटाले हेच कोताय. सो ही गुंडाराज म्हणटाय तिचो ही द वे दे ट्राय टू सी द मशिनरी धाडपा थिंगाची. एन आय एम ऑन रिकॉर्ड. गुलाबाचो एडिटर बाब फावस्तो न्हू पारकी तो ही वॉज हियर दॅट डे वेन द मशिनरी कितकोन ताका उलयलो ते कडेन तुमी विचाराय. He is also witness to this. There were several other people locals. So what are we trying to do? कोणा माकोड मुटाय टेक अब्यूज केलो फावस्ताक. And for what? For this झा हे झा लागून. सो मुगे मेसेज इज व्हेरी क्लियर. तुमी मायक घेवन आनी प्रेसा आपयन धमकी दिल म्हूण तुका कोण भिनाय आनी तूं हॉर्सां उलयल म्हूण ही कागदां हाय. आनी जेन्ना पुसान हे पेन आहा न्हू तुमकां कापस्ताद दाखोवपा आमको आहा. आनी आमी हे गुंडाराज हे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी जे आमी सुसेग हाडलो आहा तो सुसेग आमी दोतले आनी आमी मेंटेन करतले. आनी तेका लागून लोकांक आमी निवडून हाडला. आनी तेका लागून लोकांक सुसेग जाय जाल्यार लोक पोतूनय आमकां हाडटलो निवडून. बट वी वील नॉट टॉलरेट दिस. अग्री.
रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह ह्या जाग्यार बसयल्लो आसा जिल्ला.
I was waiting for that question first of all. हांव सांगपा म्हळ्यार आय एम अ फिशरमॅन. एज अ ZP मागीर एट द एज ऑफ 13 हांव हे दोयऱ्यार आख्ख्या भोंवला म्हज्या पांच बारान नुस्त्या धरून. सांगपा म्हळ्यार म्हाका केन्ना पांय वाट दाखोवंक ना. पळोवपा इसरोल आसता दाखोवपाक. कित्याक दाखोवंक ना कित्याक तो जो रस्तो आसलो त्यो जो रस्तो आमच्या रस्त्यार धरून आमी सकयल येताले. आज टायमार जेन्ना आमी नुस्त्या मारताले तेन्ना आतां जे न्यू सिस्टम कितें जालां इट्स व्हेरी गूड थिंग फॉर द फिशरमॅन. एक गाडी सकयल रस्त्या दोयऱ्या पाळ्यार देंवता नुस्त्या भरपाक. आमच्या टायमार हांदार दोन दांडे धरून फांटी घेवन वयर येताले भरपाक पिकापांत. सो त्या टायमार आमी ते जाताले बट डिवेलपमेंट गरजेचें. बट हें पळय 10 मिटर रस्तो म्हाका दिसता कोणाक गोंयकारांक नाका. काल कोलाचो इश्यू आसा तुमी जाणा काल कितलो लोक एकठांय आला. कोल हार्म करता बट हेंय हार्म करतले लोकांक इन फ्युचर. आमच्या वारका लांगोटे वचोन चोयाय थिंगा लोक रोटा कित्याक थिंगा आख्खे प्रोजेक्ट काम केलां 10-15 वर्सां पंचायत आहले कितें केलां कोण दिल्लें हें करूंक.
Absolutely, I totally agree on that.
आज पासून
It's just
लांगोट
become
कोण
a
काम
complete
केलें
jungle.
हिना कॅम्पेनींग आयले लोक म्हाका म्हणटा बाबा आमकां घांटी चड दिसती पडटा आमगे गोंयकारांक आख्खें सेम वे फातराड कोन्ना काय. हांव वोल्डकार जावं बेनाली ZP जावं बट म्हाका हातराडे मोगा कित्याक द एज ऑफ 13 अप टू 21 हांवें दोयऱ्यापाडा म्हज्या पांच बारा काम केलां मनीस म्हाका हातराडे लोक करता हांव कोवतो. बट बेजिकली हांव रिक्वेस्ट करता पंचायता कडेन फिशरमॅना जावं 3 मिटर रस्तो एमएलए जाला वी आर देर टेक प्रॉपर परमिशन डू इट. जरी तर उदका प्रॉब्लम आहा एक ट्रेंच मारूं जाता एक नल्ला ओपन करता वी आर देर लेट्स डू इट. बट 10 मिटर आनी कोणाक फायदो कोन्ना काय लोकांक लुकसाण कोन्ना काय इतलें हांव हात जोडून मागता पंचायता कडेन.
What is happening today is we are looking for our future, and if you want your future generation to progress and to benefit, please stop all this destruction that's happening right now. We are very happy that our honorable MLA Wenzi Vegas is there with us to support this project and this thing what is happening, basically the act which is happening right now. So people, the Panch, all those who are in power, every panchayat, do for the benefit of the people. Don't do for the destruction, just to, benefit yourself. That's all what I want to say. Thank you.
तुम्ही गावची ZP आणि
I don't belong to this village. I'm from Kavilusim. However, I'm here to voice and support Wenzi because similar issue I've been facing in Kavilusim. I'm a landlord there, and similar thing wherein without our permission, without our NOCs, there have been roads that have been taken. In the night, there have been JCBs that has been running up in the Kavilusim Rodriguez ward, and no communication has been sent to us. We being working class qualified people, there were no NOCs taken from us to carry out this work in our private properties that is being done. So whenever we go to complain, sarpanches are never on their seats, nor the secretaries as usual, and this is the thing that happens all over Goa. And as a citizen of the state, I think we should condemn now. Today it all looks okay because there are no constructions and structures that are come. Once the structures come up here, it's going to be very difficult for us to voice our issues because the tenure where these people are working, the sarpanches or any other officials will be changing their tenure and they'll be going off. So when we go to voice these particular issues, the answer what we will be getting is that that is a very common answer we will be getting on these seats. So before we reach to this state, I think we as citizens should voice it and control and curb this. Thank you.
Inspection
when as informed by Honorable MLA of Benali constituency, Wenzi sir called for a joint site inspection of all the departments where he informed us that काम चालू असले on the during the weekend. So पंचायतीन जे usually developmental worksaची files येतात, they come to from the panchayat, they come to the BDO office. BDOतल्यान approval मेळटा. But in this case, no file has come to our office. So since sir has brought this issue to our notice, we will definitely issue a memorandum to the secretary. Officially report घेतली ताजे कडल्यान exact किती issue आसा तो. Also we will carry out an inquiry and accordingly report to the director for further necessary action from our end.
2024 तेंच्यांनी रेजोल्यूशन घेतलेलें रोड करपाक.
Okay. So ताजे खातीर आमकां resolution पयली check करपा पडटलें as to what resolution has been taken and whether they have taken NOCs from the concerned departments. ते आसा जाल्यार check करचे पडटले and we will inquire into the matter and accordingly send a report to director for further necessary action.
तुमच्या BDO डिपार्टमेंटांतल्यान प्रपोज जावना ह्यो कांयच
ना
ओके
निमिषा Nimisha
ನಿಮಿಷ
Kolde sir.
नाव